Hey guys, welcome back to Homemade Homestead. My name is Rachel if you're new around here. And today we are tackling this fridge. I have been procrastinating on it and everybody's home. It might get a little loud here, but if I wait for the perfect moment, it's just never gonna come. So we're just gonna tackle this right now. So if you have something that you need to clean, come and clean along with me and let's do this. So first I'm gonna start in the door. I'm gonna go shelf by shelf rather than taking everything out of the fridge. I just feel like everything stays cooler this way. So I'm gonna start right here, pull this out, and we're gonna squirt it down with some homemade cleaning stuff. In my squirt bottle, I have some vinegar, water, and a little bit of cast iron soap and some essential oil, so it doesn't really smell like a ton of vinegar, since I don't love the smell of vinegar, so. Glass. All right, the fridge door is all done. It looks so nice. It's great not to be embarrassed by it. And when I dig in here, it's nice not to see a bunch of garlic skins. It's wonderful. All right, so now we're gonna move on to the main shelves. I'm gonna do it the same way. I'm gonna just do one shelf at a time. These do come out, so I will probably pull them out and take them to the sink and scrub them in some warm soapy water. So I was able to condense some things like the salad dressing down to one thing, the mayo to a smaller container. So I think it's gonna open up the fridge a lot. And once I'm done wiping down the shelves, I can always reorganize if I wanna change things around. This one's a little bit different because it's got a top, but it's also got this drawer. So I'm gonna see if I can pull pull this out. Or does it all come out together? It might all come out together. Let's see. Oh, it does. Okay. It's so nasty. Like the crumbs just collect on these little side shelves. So the top does separate out from the drawer right here. So I can scrub them both separately. So this is quite nasty. I don't know how it gets so dirty, but it really does. Stuff spills, I guess. It's yucky. I feel like there's stuff in between the glass and the plastic. I don't know how to get that out. It's like in the corners. If you guys have a good way, let me know. The glass doesn't pop out, so I think that's as good as it's gonna get. I was able to get most of it, but it's like right here in these cracks, there's just a little bit of stuff. Wow, look at how much stuff is in this drawer. Oh my goodness, so gross. How often do you guys clean out your fridge? Let me know down in the comment section. So I guess the glass comes out of this shelf. Oh boy. So this is definitely the worst part. It looks like something dripped down. Ew. Something spilled in the bottom drawer. Oh. Alright, so I'm gonna squirt it all down. This glass pops out, so I can scrub that. Alright, and here's the before. This is the very, very bottom of the fridge. And look at the after of the bottom. It actually looks white. Alright, and here is the after. Oh, it's not perfect, but it is so much better. The door is all clean. There's no more garlic peels. And yes, the fridge isn't organized perfectly, but I know that it is clean, and when I open it, I don't have to be wondering what has spilled all over the fridge. There's even streaks still on that shelf, but I don't care. It's so much better. I'm really pleased, and I'm glad I took the time to clean out this fridge. All right, guys, well, thank you so much for joining me on this cleaning motivation. I hope it motivated you to get something done, and I hope you're having an awesome day wherever you are. I'll talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye now.